Hi guys, once again the next video about how to install custom ringtone on this new Nokia Lumia series. Here are the steps which are very clumsy, so I'm going to show the easiest step to set custom ringtone on new Nokia Lumia. Just follow the way I do. Just go to App Store and install one software called Ringtone Maker from Nokia, and then just pick up a song and just choose any song from your memory card. Okay, oh my god, from Govinda, and then just set the custom part where you want to set your ringtone, and you can just get a sample like, and then if you just want to put this part as a ringtone, then just click on save button, and it will give you this option that make this ringtone, and then just click on check. Now the ringtone is set, all set. This is the quickest way to set ringtone. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, bye bye.